Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best ski travel bags that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the DAKINE Fall Line Ski Roller Bag. The DAKINE Fall Line bag stood out as the best overall ski bag for its features, durability, and popularity among everyday customers. This ski and boot bag has all the space necessary for most travelers, with the capacity to carry 2 pairs of skis, plus plenty of room for poles, ski boots, and extra gear and ski apparel. These features come at a price that we think is very reasonable compared to similar bags on the market. We used this bag on road trips and far-flung ski trips across the Pacific, and it never failed us. Ultimately, the durability and reliability of this bag won it our top award as the best overall ski bag. Moving on at number 4, we have the DAKINE Boundary Ski Roller Bag. Whether you've got some big trips in the works or just need one bag that can do it all, the DAKINE Boundary is the holy grail of ski bags. This roller bag can not only carry 2 pairs of skis and poles but also save room for your boots, clothing like ski outerwear, and other gear like goggles, gloves or mittens, and ski socks with a well-organized combo of zippered pockets and nesting internal bags. Plus, like the more affordable DAKINE Fall Line, this bag has supreme durability and can stand up to all your ski adventures, near and far. At number 3, we have the DB Snow Roller. Many travelers prefer their luggage to be sleek and functional without adding extra bulk or unnecessary features. For those skiers, DB makes the snow roller. This bag can carry a single pair of skis, boots, and other small ski essentials. What makes this bag stand out is its design. It rolls up incredibly small when not in use, and you can easily adjust the bag's length for multiple lengths of skis up to 220 centimeters. You can also attach other DB travel bags to the exterior for simpler gear hauling. At number 2, we have the SPORTUBE Series 2 Roller. You'll want to consider a hard case if you're looking for the utmost protection for your ski or snowboard gear when traveling. The SPORTUBE Series 2 Roller is a roller hard case that can easily carry plenty of gear, 2 pairs of skis, 2 snowboards, or 4 Nordic skis, at a reasonable price. For this reason, it is our top choice for a hard case for traveling with ski and snowboard gear. The design of this case is simple. It is a plastic tube without extra compartments, but it has padding at each end to protect skis and boards. Wheels and 2 handles make it easy to carry, and the closure locks for added security. And finally at number 1, we have the Atomic Ski Bag. A simple ski bag is all you need to schlep gear when traveling on a budget. Atomic Ski Bag is a practical and affordable option for packing 1 pair of skis. This ski bag offers more durability and protection for your gear than a ski sleeve on the lower end of the spectrum, while still being a fraction of the price of more expensive ski bags. For these reasons, this is the best choice for skiers looking for an affordable way to travel with ski gear. A simple ski bag is all you need to schlep gear when traveling on a budget. Atomic Ski Bag is a practical and affordable option for packing 1 pair of skis. This ski bag offers more durability and protection for your gear than a ski sleeve on the lower end of the spectrum, while still being a fraction of the price of more expensive ski bags. For these reasons, this is the best choice for skiers looking for an affordable way to travel with ski gear.
Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.